Alright, how we doing, folks? Welcome to another episode of Fishing with Spa. This is crazy. I'm over in Newmarket, New Hampshire, and we're going to be fishing for some striper today. We got man over here, man over there, a couple people on the dock, so I'm sure you can tell this might be a good spot. I've been here for 10 minutes. I've seen 4 hookups so far. So we're going to be tossing mackerel crankbait. So it seems to be working, just tossing it in the current here. So, well, let's see if we can catch some fish and enjoy the show. Woo! Oh, he's putting a bite. Oh, he's so cool. Good fish. All right, hold on, we gotta get this on. All right, man, guys, he was throwing us, my man, what's your name? Chad. Chad threw a popper up these rocks, risking the biscuit, and now he's got him down here. I'm gonna try and help him out. Oh, that's like a short. Yeah, shorty. All right, we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try this again. Oh, watch your line, watch your line, watch your line. Alright. Come on, you jerk. I won't. Alright, got him this time. Oh no, that's a nice one, dude. Look at that, guys. It's not mine. This is Chad. Oh, that is a fatty. Alright, guys, this is crazy action down here. What we're doing is they're exploding on the top here, hitting aloe-wives. So we're using Topwater. I've already lost 2 $10 Topwaters, but we're gonna try and hopefully land one here. I've hit 2 fish and they've both broke me off on the rocks, so we're gonna try and make this happen. I don't know how good the angle is gonna be. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh yeah, you can see. Alright folks, this is a lot of work here. Oh.
So hard to get them out of those.
Yeah, dude, that is a work. Holy shit. You want to do me a favor and grab that camera? And it's already playing. All right, guys, we are on. Now we're gonna try and see which one goes to the end. Great job of landing it. Put it in the eye socket. Ooh, that's a good one. Whacked it. Woo! There we go, folks. Oh. So you got that tape?
I don't on me now. Do you have it? Should be close though. You want to run and grab it? Grab it quick.
If you don't mind, yeah, that'd be awesome.
You want this?
Yeah. All right, guys. There we go. Nice striper on the popper. We're gonna, my buddy's running to grab a tape. I actually hooked him in the eye, so I don't know. Might be cheating, but we're gonna get the official measurement here. It looks dang close.
If you lay him down, I think it's 28. 28.
Oh yeah, 28 on the nose, folks. All right, guys, that was freaking awesome. So yeah, we're just tossing these Topwaters, and what they're doing. And I can't take the credit for this. My man Chad there, I think his name is Chad. He left, but he was just telling me, you can kind of see it, that they're exploding on the aloe-webs on the Topwater, and they're just hitting them in this current. Try and grab the camera and land him. All right, there he is. All right, we're gonna try and get down and film. Oh yeah. Really wish I had my mount on. I got him hooked good though. A little bit, I guess this one's a little bit small. About the same size, smaller. Rocks are super slippery. All right, he's pretty cooked, which is good. All right. Another one, guys. Try and land this in front of the camera. Here, let's see if we can. This is great, dude. This is my fifth. It's like my fifth striper. Really struggling with this whole landing process. Alright, he got off, that's fine. Whew. I didn't want to get hooked, guys. Delicate balance. But maybe you saw some of that terrible landing. Woo! I only got a little bit of film left here. But, alright, it's number 5 on the day.